This is Bird.
Meet Bird. I'm so happy.
Bird is half lion, half tiger, half bird.
Half love.
Half love. Bird is a peculiar cat, for he has two fathers.
Two daddies here in San Francisco, just like every other kitty.
Bird's favorite things to do entail eating trees, biting plastic,
Playing with hands.
obsessed
Is
with hands and walls.
The touch of the hand soothes Bird ever so slowly into a state of slumber.
Bird loves the camera. He has acted since his birth 2 days ago.
2 days ago. Bird was born 2 days ago and is 6 years old.
He was born again 2 days ago. His original birthday, we decided, is Christmas, because Christmas is the only day suitable for Jesus' birthday, then it is the only day suitable for Bird's birthday. And Bird is Christ of cats.
We will
He
make
is-
pretty Bird.
Bird is the cat messiah.
Stay with me.
Stay with us, Bird. Bird, you're a superstar, Bird.
Don't get camera shy now. Not now.
Bird,
This is your debut.
Bird, you're so handsome.
Ass. Ass shot. Bird.
Bird, and like all the rest, he walks away.
Never. Come back. Come back, Bird.
Bird,
Bird, come here. Come on my lap. Not that way.
this is David Attenborough.
And Dylan and Greg.
And Dylan and Greg Funkel. Oh, Bird,
Peace out.
Bird.